Australian first home buyers, be aware. The new government first home loan deposit scheme is about to launch and you could already be set to miss out. That's right, there's only a limited amount of spots that are available in 2022 and they're gonna go quick. So if you're thinking about buying your first home this year, then you'd better keep watching. Buying your first home can be such a stressful process, and this year it seems harder than ever to get into your dream home. But with the new first home guarantee scheme, you could save more than $55,000 on your mortgage. And that's why we're holding a special edition of the First Home Buyers Masterclass. We've carefully selected the top questions first home buyers ask us and cover everything you need to know. And the best bit, it's completely free and online. You can watch in your underwear, you have no excuses not to make it. Our goal at Hunter Galloway is to help as many people as possible buy their first home in 2022. So the real question is, will you be next? So what are you waiting for? Join us and book a seat with the link in the description below. It's completely free. And we look forward to seeing you in the webinar, preferably fully clothed.